It landed in a tree. Alright, let's try this again. Getting better at it. Oh, too high. Oh, gonna land in a tree. Ooh, killed the power too quick. Okay, let's see if I can take off from here without hitting anything. Nah, tail got caught in the grass. Okay, back in a second. Okay, let's try again, shall we? As I said, I'm no good at flying this yet, but give me time and a bigger area or I'll probably get better at it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Nah, you can't take off from the grass, it seems to catch on the tail. Okay, let's try this again. Last time I crashed. Here we go. Whoop! Hit a tree! That's what happens when you try and fly near trees. You tend to trim them. Alright, time to go pick it up again. Not bad, not bad. Bit of wind came up and blew the helicopter off course.